Expel is a point-of-use compressed air filter. Expel separates water, emulsion fluids, and airborne particulates from your compressed air line. It's easy to install, lasts for years, and requires no costly internal filter elements. In this video, we'll demonstrate the performance of Expel against a conventional point-of-use filter regulator. This will prove to you just how inefficient conventional point-of-use filter regulators are compared to Expel. Expel removes 99.9999% of all liquids, water and emulsion fluids, plus airborne solid particulates down to 1 micron. In this demonstration, you can see how Expel even removes soluble black paint when mixed with water, plus the water droplets themselves. The demonstration on the right clearly shows clean, dry air discharging from a compressed air gun using the point-of-use Expel filter, while the demonstration on the left, tested under the same conditions, clearly shows just how much water and contamination is discharged out of the compressed air gun using a conventional point-of-use filter regulator. So the next time you have concerns about water and contamination in your points of use, why not try the Expel filter? We're confident that our unique, patented design removes all traces of liquids and contamination from your compressed air lines.